So how's everyone doing today? Good? Where are you guys from?
Germany.
Germany, from Berlin?
Frankfurt.
Frankfurt, okay, welcome.
Frankfurt.
And what about you guys?
Linden, Washington.
Washington, okay, welcome. And you guys?
Bulgaria.
Bulgaria, welcome. All of you guys, yeah?
Sort of.
Sort of? Okay, okay. Family from here. Is that right? Okay, terrific. So has anyone been here before?
No.
No?
You've been here before, okay. Has it been? Okay, well welcome. Welcome back. And welcome to everyone else. So first and foremost, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Jordan. I'm your tram operator and tour guide for today. So as of right now, we're doing an 175 meter, 500 foot vertical descent. And we're doing something called a mountain pass. So directly behind us here, we're leaving the Cascade Mountain Range, which actually stretches back to your home state of Washington, Mount St. Helens in Washington State. And across the Fraser River here in front of us, we got the Pacific Coastal Mountain Range, which goes all the way to Whistler, believe it or not. So it goes a real far way. And you guys can see on the other side of the river there's a railway line known as the Canadian Pacific Railway, constructed in 1885. And directly beneath our feet, there's a second railway and a train that's coming by right now on it, known as the Canadian National Railway, which was constructed in 1912. And I'd like to point out right behind me here, you can see a big gaping hole in that rock. And once we get down a little bit further, we'll see a railway tunnel beneath it. And during the construction in 1913, the Canadian National Railway Tunnel, the workers were blasted. They hit a fault line in the rock. Over 100,000 cubic meters of rock crashing down the Fraser River. Especially disastrous for all of the salmon and the dropping upstream to spawn. Subsequently, all around this section of the river, you'll see different steel and concrete structures. Some of them are kept to see today because they're submerged in water, but they're known as the International Fishways. And they act as big, long tunnels with different chambers inside of them, slowing down the speed of the river to about 5 kilometers per hour, opposed to the 35 kilometers that you can see streaming through right now. And directly beneath our feet here, folks, this white and thundering water is known as Hell's Gate. It's 33 meters wide, and also the narrowest and deepest section of the entire Fraser River. And today, it's 190 feet deep, 63 meters deep. And rafting? Yep. Usually the water level, though, it has to be about 130 feet deep, significantly lower. And in 1808, the famous explorer Simon Fraser, he came paddling through this river looking for a fur trading route in the Pacific Ocean. Once he hit this stretch of water, he was no longer able to paddle anymore. So he got out of his birch bark canoe and he scaled across the cliffs that you can see on either side of the river here. It's mentioned in his journal and quoted by Simon himself as saying, "No human being should ever venture here, for surely we have encountered the gates of hell!" And that's how we got our name. And you can see the suspension bridge open to the general public. A great place for everyone to take some pictures and videos today. And underneath the bridge deck to our far left-hand side there, you can see a sign. At the bottom of that sign, there's a black line, and that's the highest level of water that was ever recorded here, which was 208 feet, 70 meters, back in May of 1948, washing away the old suspension bridge that laid before it. And momentarily, folks, we will be docking at our lower terminal. You can exit through the breeze